Today we are taking a look at the 25-foot Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaning Brush. Not a whole lot to it, not much as far as packaging goes. We've got this brush here and then all of these extension rods. And they just have little thread and rod. We're gonna thread some of these together. Let's see how it works. Like all of the reviews that I saw on Amazon said that you're gonna wanna have some type of an adapter. I don't know, doesn't seem to come with one. Mine didn't come with one. On Amazon now it says it comes with an adapter, but when I bought it, apparently not. So anyways, I'll just try to put it in my drill, see what happens. This is pretty nasty. I have definitely never cleaned this before. Apparently it's a pretty big fire hazard, so hopefully this thing works. One tip, never ever go in reverse. That's in all the reviews. If you do that, the brush can come apart and then you end up with it stuck in your vent, which is a much bigger problem. Okay, I've only gone in a few feet and as you can probably see, it already looks a lot better. Oh, that's pretty gross. All right, well, it seems to be working. Let's see what happens. So after putting all 25 feet in, it doesn't seem to really be doing a whole lot. Got a little bit of the lint out, but we're gonna try it from the inside, see what happens. There's like no instructions at all with this thing, which is one kind of unfortunate thing, but seems to be working to some degree, but they don't really tell you what to do. Okay, after unsuccessfully doing this from the outside, I came inside, disconnected my dryer vent and kind of did it in segments. It is definitely working. The drill portion of it did not work very good for me, especially because I was in my basement, so I couldn't really hold the line out straight, and I kind of had it coiled. But just doing it by hand, and then I went back outside and did it one more time, and that's a lot of lint. So definitely glad I did it. Okay, here is what I ended up with from my basement. Wow. And let's see if we can get some more out of here. Nope, looks like maybe a little bit, but that should be pretty clean now. That definitely can start a fire. So let's just see just how flammable it can be. They say this stuff's highly flammable. I put a lighter on it for about a millisecond. It's already going up pretty quick, so I can see why they recommend cleaning it out. One thing that I have learned, it seems, unless I'm dumb, which is possible, I cannot unscrew these. So I feel like once you put this together, you have 25 feet that are not going to be coming apart. So I guess I'm going to coil it and store it in my basement. For 20 bucks, it was a worthwhile investment. I definitely would not spend any more than $20 on this thing. I was not happy with the lack of directions and also with the missing adapter. I feel like that's probably why it's a little bit harder than it needed to be. And yeah, they just really don't give you any directions, so I don't really know what to expect. I just kind of went off of other people's comments and went from there. But it did what it's supposed to. I got a bunch of crap out of our dryer vent, so hopefully for $20 we made our house a little bit safer. So I'm gonna coil this thing up and throw it in my basement for another year. Thanks for watching.